Slide 2. Principle 4. Stakeholder Engagement. Principle 4 of the National Guidelines on Responsible Business Conduct states that businesses should respect the interests of and be responsive to all their stakeholders. This principle recognizes that sustainable business success depends upon understanding and addressing the expectations of individuals and groups affected by an organization's activities. Stakeholders include a broad spectrum of groups such as shareholders, employees, customers, suppliers, regulators, local communities, lenders, business partners, and civil society organizations. Each stakeholder group may have different expectations, concerns, and priorities. Effective stakeholder engagement enables organizations to identify these expectations and incorporate them into strategic decision-making processes. The importance of stakeholder engagement has increased significantly in the ESG era. Investors seek transparency regarding stakeholder relationships because strong stakeholder management often indicates lower operational risks and greater long-term resilience. Organizations that actively engage stakeholders are better positioned to anticipate emerging risks, manage conflicts, and build lasting trust. Principle 4 encourages organizations to establish structured processes for identifying material stakeholder groups and understanding their concerns. Stakeholder engagement should not be treated as a one-time activity. Rather, it should be an ongoing process supported by formal and informal communication channels. Organizations are expected to gather stakeholder feedback through consultations, surveys, meetings, focus groups, grievance mechanisms, digital platforms, and community engagement programs. Equally important is the organization's ability to respond effectively to stakeholder concerns and demonstrate how feedback influences business decisions. Special emphasis is placed on vulnerable and marginalized stakeholder groups who may otherwise lack adequate representation. These groups may include women, differently abled individuals, economically disadvantaged communities, indigenous populations, or socially vulnerable groups. Ultimately, Principle 4 reinforces the concept that responsible businesses create value not only for shareholders but also for all stakeholders. Organizations that effectively engage stakeholders strengthen trust, improve decision-making, enhance social acceptance, and create a more sustainable and resilient business model capable of delivering long-term value.